Hi everyone, it's Bea here from Bea's Patch. I'm just going to show you how to clean a diffuser. So I've got my Lumo diffuser here. All you need to do is take the lid off. Now you can see the diffuser's quite dirty inside. I normally give them a little bit of a wipe first before I start anything. And then try and get out that muck and grime. Then I add a capful of vinegar, or quarter of a cup of vinegar, say, not even. And then some water, up to your red stopper on your water. Oh, I'm spilling it. And you can let that run. So let that run for your 10 to 15 minutes. Once your 10 to 15 minutes is up, turn your diffuser off. Tip out the contents. I'll just tip this back in here because I'll do it in a minute. Tip out the contents. Give your diffuser a really good wipe around. I use a little cotton bud in the corners. Get all in the middle here and things. Obviously once you've run it for 15 minutes the things will come off a lot better. Anything like this, just pop in soapy water and give it a good clean in the soapy water. This will allow you to get all the dust and things like that off. Now you should be cleaning your diffusers once a month at least. And if you're using things like Balance or On Guard, Oregano, things like that that have quite a colouring, I'd be doing them more often, especially if there's been diffusers running constantly in your house all the time. So give it a good soak and scrub around as well. Now every diffuser is the same with cleaning, so just get all your diffusers lined up, run them for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you've got your vinegar and your water in there. Wash them out and then you'll be set for another month. Happy diffusing!